Do not try. He said, "You ready, bam?" That it.
Hey, you better get you a rag.
Do not try this at home, kids. All right, let's see the back.
Come around. Come around, bro.
Look at his first.
Woo, hold on.
I think mine. I think you got mine.
Hold on. We gotta get.
I think you got mine a whole
Lift your
lot.
shirt back up.
I think glass went in my damn back.
All right. Now here's Brock Lesnar.
I know mine's rough.
Oh yeah, you're cut.
Oh.
This is what you don't do, guys. Jackass number 3.
Bleeding?
Hell yeah, you bleeding.